Hi, Management 7500. This is Steve Wagner with your Midweek Minutes for Module 7. And we're looking at leadership this week. And I wanted to talk a little bit about the concept of temporal leadership. This is the idea that timing really matters for leaders. And there's a lot of interesting developments in this area, like looking at individual differences, where some people have different styles of how they work throughout time. You know, some people like to space things slow and steady throughout time. Some people like to get things done in big blocks and then rest, and work in big blocks and then rest. And it's important that leaders understand some of those different individual differences, but also know that there are different demands for work and how they get done. So the environment, the situation also places some demands on how work should be done. But really what I want to talk about is what I think is the importance for slowing down as a leader. And this might sound strange because we live in a world that is fast-paced. It is demanding constantly for accelerated change, for quick, decisive leaders. And I think that we have to understand that while there can be times when it is important to move quickly and have a sense of urgency, that oftentimes we're better off slowing down, being a bit more deliberate, a bit more contemplative, where we think. And I think that ethical leadership often demands that leaders slow down a little bit. Oftentimes, the challenge of being ethical is one of thinking through two very bad situations and choosing the better of the worst. Sometimes it is, doing your homework, investigating what people say, investigating situations. And so I think that we really need to consider the value in slowing down. And so I have a video posted on ethical leadership that presents the PREE model, the PRE model. And those letters in the acronym stand for the different groups of things that we should think about when we're trying to make an ethical decision. What are the principles involved? What are our responsibilities in this situation? What are the effects our decision will make, and are we being empathic? All of these things are important, but the acronym is also supposed to suggest that before you act, you should think. So pre-action, before action, you should think about these things. So please watch this video before you do this week's Experiencing OB assignment, which is due on Sunday. Remember that with this being a one-week module, you also have the quiz that is due tomorrow on Friday, along with your initial post to the case study discussion board. And then again, those follow-up are due on Sunday for the case study and your Experiencing OB essay. As always, if you have questions, please contact me. Getting set to meet with many of your groups next week. You're getting down to the home stretch, and so please keep working hard and let me know whenever you have a question. Okay, take care. Bye now.